So the last part of the winterizing, I'm just watering and spraying everything with a mix of Neem Oil, hydrogen peroxide, Dawn soap, and diluting it all with water. So I only found like 2 plants were infested. So this one and my tiger fern were the only ones with scale on them. I don't know how I got scale. Very stupid. So I'm just going through, spraying them with the mixture, and then wiping it down, and then spraying it again. And I'm also cutting off dead parts of the plant. So some of these plants you might not see in updates because I got rid of some of them, because I'm actually giving them some of them to work because they're not doing good in my care, and plus they want some greenery in the workplace. So I'm just going through and doing literally all my plants. And my begonias, I found out the reason why they're doing so bad is because all the old foliage is dying, and all the new foliage is from getting used to the new environment. So that's the reason why these guys look different. Actually, this begonia has been doing great though. I'm gonna be so mad because look at what I do with this plant. I tried wiring it and then I broke it. I got so mad with that thing. And then here's my bonsai plant, and then this plant needs to be repotted. It might be winter, but it's just gonna keep going down, so that's the reason why I'm gonna repot it soon. So there's a whole bunch of different clips you see me with different clothing because, yeah, it didn't happen all in one day. And so when you do that, you have to remix your solution every time. So yeah, in this part, I found out a better way of just doing everything by having 2 buckets where you water and then put it in the next bucket for it to drain, and then water and just keep going. And some of these are just being watered again because this one was a week difference, and this cactus right here is floppy, and it perked right back up. So I got some new trays for them for I don't have to make a mess every time I water. And another tip is to have a trash bin or a little trash can next to you where you can put dead foliage. I can't say it. Foliage? Whatever. Look how cute that little cactus is. It's so cute. So I'm putting more plants away, and you see, this is my work clothes. Well, the shirt is, because there's bleach stains on it. Fun stuff. And then you can see the 2 new plants I got. I finally got a monstera, and then I got a big ponytail palm. And the ponytail palm has mealybugs. I found them today. So I sprayed it. There's actually these 2 the ones that had bugs I didn't treat, so I was like, what the heck? And then here's the little babies I have. They all been on top of my aquarium because they can't be on the windowsill anymore. And some of them I repotted because I noticed that since these pots are so small, they dry out way faster. And then here's some new plants that I forgot to water. And then this one's still doing okay, but I forgot to water it, so it lost like 2 leaves. And here's me repotting them. I'm just testing it, but I did not put any, it's my usual mix, but I didn't put any pebbles in it. So we'll see what happens. I'm thinking I put too much cocoa fiber in this because, yeah, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it does. but I'm thinking it would do better because these dry out so quickly. So I got these little beans that I took off my ponytail cactus that had scale you saw earlier in the video, and I've been trying to root them, but I think it's because I haven't been watering them enough. And then you'll see a very sad little cactus. This was in my first video I put on here, but it started to get rot because the sand was too high up on it.